Hi everyone, so today we're going to talk about different ways that you can set up an organizational system to keep yourself nice and organized. So within Access, every single week, your Access teacher is going to ask you to make sure your physical and digital materials are nice and organized. This is a great task to do, especially if you don't have a heavy workload and have a little bit of free time during Access. So please talk to your parents or your Access teacher to try to get yourself some colored folders to keep track of all of your physical materials, your worksheets, your packets, and handouts that come in for each course. And then also think about having a notebook or something that you can make a to-do list for. Sometimes having that physical written to-do list is very helpful. And today we're going to talk about creating also a digital planner to keep track of and communicate with your case manager and Access teacher. Also, we need to talk about keeping track of your digital life. You have 3 different platforms that you're going to be using a lot. So keeping those nice and organized and streamlined will help you in the long run. Canvas might be new to you, or you might have used it last year, but keeping that nice and organized and knowing how to navigate that system is going to be extra important. Also, your Google Drive is a place that you're going to be very frequently. So with any extra time thinking about creating folders, color coding, just kind of cleaning it up so you can access things a little quicker within your drive. And then also thinking about cleaning up your inbox. The amount of emails that we get can get a little crazy. So thinking about using some labels to organize all the emails that come in and which ones to keep and which ones to get rid of. So today your assignment or this weekly assignment is going to be extra important because it's going to have you decide what type of digital planner do you want to use throughout the semester. The reason we're using a digital planner is because it's a great way for you to communicate and check in with your case manager and your Access teacher at the same time. So today you're going to follow some steps that ask you to look at these 4 different planner options and pick one that's best for you. The most important thing is to decide, once you decide, is to share this not only with your case manager, but also your Access teacher, as both of these people will be checking your planner on a daily basis. So I want to walk you through each one of those planners and help you try to make that decision. So the first one is if you were with us at PR last year, this is the same planner that we used last year, except now you have this little bookmarking system here that will take you from week to week. So you have a similar planner for each week. This is where you can add your courses, what you do each day, and then your case manager or Access teacher will add comments down here. The next 2 are very similar, except they're set up for A-B days. So this one right here is for someone that is on a B schedule. You'll see in the bookmarking, everything that's highlighted means that you're going to be with remote learning on those days. And then the same thing, Group A has a very similar option as well, except the alternative days are highlighted for remote learning. The last one is very different. It uses Google Sheets instead, and you notice that the weeks can be toggled through down here with these tabs. You're going to add your courses, write down what needs to be done for each course, and this one is a little different because it has a little check mark for you to indicate when you've completed those tasks. So if you're a checklist type of person, this might be a good option for you. So once you've picked which planner you like the best, you're going to click on that, make a copy, and this last step is where you're going to share it with 2 different people. So within Canvas, you're going to submit this assignment and find that planner in your Google Drive in order to submit in Canvas. You're also going to click the blue button within the planner and share it with your case manager and your Access teacher, so that way they have editing rights to your planner.